Hey guys, if you want to make your presentation at next level, then these 8 killer tips can help you to impress your boss. Number 1. Powerful opening. Yes, powerful opening is always needed to make audience curious about whole presentation. So, always focus on powerful opening before delivering. Number 2. Tell a story. Next thing, you should focus on delivering your presentation like you are going to tell a story. Number 3. Low text. Always try to keep low text on the slide what you are going to present. Try to explain it in your words. Number 4. Use visuals effectively. Don't try to use unnecessary visual, so effectively use of visuals are very much required. Number 5. Use humor. If you are not going to presentation at too much higher level, then using humor can help you to keep your audience engaged. Number 6. Keep it stupid simple. Yes, this is very much needed, that what you are going to explain or present should be digestible to everyone, so always try to use simple words as much as possible. So, a kid of 10 years can also understand it. But be flexible here based on audience. Number 7. Use data and statistics. Always use data and statistics which validated from the source or from original website. Number 8. Strong conclusion. Whatever you explained in your presentation will not matter much, you close the presentation strongly. So spend more time to make your conclusion in a way that leave a positive impression. Hope these tips help you for your next presentation.